Tell me now, would you give me another chance? Tell me how I need to be so you can again once more want me, and we can be together forever like we first ever said to one another. Yeah, falling much more deeply in love with you and all over me. You cover so beyond when we touch and cuddling or fucking, becoming one advancement, building up more of each other when it's needed. And for so long I always needed you, but you were taken and defeated and gave into, and so hard it's been getting through this on my own. But I'm trying to go, I'm in this barrier that feels like I can't gain, getting no hope. And inside my life I go, I be fucking so sad, my life is going bad. I can't let go of you, you are in my past, but you're the truest love I've ever found. When you found me, it was so rare, call it a rarity, but a miracle as it happened. Girl, you were the only one to get to my heart direct and fast at it. I'm feeling like I'm losing myself now that I don't have you right by my side. I would've protected you from all the harm out in the world. It's only evil, it's trying to take away all of the brave soldiers for God and good people. I cannot seem to find the same sequel in the lion with all the sequences. I'm trying to explain what's going on in my brain. Take a peek, take a hit when I get inside and I just load it up just like a clip. I go so solar in the sky, like every now and then when you see a solar eclipse, the way it goes and it shines so bright, my mind equips inside these thoughts all day, and I'm always going my way, but without you life is unexplainable. Yo, tell me how I need to be so you can again really want me, and we can be together forever like we first ever said to one another. Falling much more deeply in love with you and all over me. You cover so beyond close when we touching, cuddling or fucking, becoming more with advancements, building up more of each other in times that it's required of us when it's needed. And for so long I always needed you, but you were taken and defeated and gave into, and so hard it's been getting through this on my own. I'm trying to make it through it though. Girl, I need you by my side, by my side. I need you right by my side, my side. I need you right by my side, my side. My life is falling apart without you by my side. Oh, 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 yeah. I'm losing myself without you right here by me. Nothing of me feels like it's left now that I'm all alone, finally over crying. I know which way I'm striving to go, go, go. Try to prove to you that I will never let you go. Like I said the first time I ever met you out in this world, out in this world. Yeah, out in this world, it gets so cold. Man, I make it hurt. You know that I felt the cold chill making me go bird, cause it's so cold. But luckily my life no longer will unfold. I'll be trying to just stay strong every single day that goes by. I'll be going to my job, working so hard. Never did I just take up on my choices that I need to choose before. When I was like 18, with the love of my life underneath our own roof, could afford it. But the important part of all of it is it's all gone now, mission aborted. And I can't get myself to finally get over her. I know I'm feeling myself change, trying to be more mature. I'm feeling it, but it seems like it's falling all away, and I'm losing myself, can't concentrate in the ways I need to. Die, without you I can't defeat any of them all around me or you. Die, I know you gotta feel something still. Die, I know. It's been so long. There's always a way to make it work out again. Work out again. wish you were here by my